Now there is a safe and inexpensive way to clean the windows, frames, and exterior of high-rise buildings. The name of this product is SkyPro, the technological breakthrough in automated window washing equipment. Depending upon which of the dozen different models you choose, SkyPro will clean and leave windows crystal clear and spot-free at an incredible rate of between 17,000 to 35,000 square feet per hour. At this rate, it's easy to see why an investment in SkyPro equipment will pay for itself 100% within the first year. SkyPro is not only safer than manual scaffold and chair window cleaning, but also easy to use. With the SkyPro unit directly below the window section to be cleaned, simply connect the steel tether cable to SkyPro and the rigging system on the building roof. Any type of rigging system that meets the weight load requirement of the SkyPro being used is acceptable. This would include rolling out riggers, davits, anchors, and rail hoist systems, to name a few. Connect one end of the water and electrical lines to the rooftop outlets and the other ends to SkyPro. Don't forget to put a water deionization tank or reverse osmosis system in line on the rooftop. These tanks are inexpensively rented from your local soft water company and filter out all of the minerals and chemicals from the water source, so windows are left spot-free and dirt and residue are removed from the frames and building exterior. Select the amount of water you want sprayed on the windows by adjusting the water flow valve. Even at a 50% flow rate, enough water will be on the windows and building for the soft touch foam brushes to clean thoroughly. Turn on the electrical switch to start the brushes rotating and begin cleaning. As you can see in this before and after picture, SkyPro cleans windows crystal clear without the use of soaps or chemicals. Using SkyPro takes no more than 2 men to operate. One man is located on the rooftop, keeping an eye on the equipment, raising and lowering SkyPro. He also moves the steel tether cable laterally from davit to davit. The second man is positioned at ground level, operating the wireless remote control for the self-climbing models and assisting in moving the SkyPro from one section of the building to the next. Once the SkyPro has traveled from ground level to the top of the building, cleaning the windows and exterior, the hoist motor is put in reverse to lower SkyPro to complete the wash cycle. Once up and once down is the best way to ensure a spot-free cleaning of each section of the building. Of the many standard models of SkyPro, the primary differences are single versus double brush units and self-climbing versus roof hoist models. Single brush models will effectively clean most buildings, but double brush might be a better choice for buildings that need to be cleaned more than twice a year or have windows recessed from 5 to 8 inches into the frames. Self-climbing units are better for buildings which have permanently mounted davits or anchors on the rooftop. This allows the rooftop operator to make a simple transfer of the tether cable from davit to davit without worrying about remounting a hoist motor on each davit. When a mobile rolling outrigger is used on the rooftop, having the hoist motor mounted on the outrigger is a better choice than self-climbing. Whether one brush or two, self-climbing or not, all standard models can be purchased in 8-foot, 12-foot, and 16-foot lengths and come preset for either 110 or 220 voltage. In addition, all units are made from heavy-gauge aluminum and powder-coated to last for years. All motors are rated to 10,000 hours of use. The patented pendulum design ensures that the SkyPro will stay flush to the building for a superior, concentrated wash pattern. Balloon tires prevent damage to the windows or building exterior. Lastly, all SkyPro models can be quickly disassembled into 2 pieces for easy transport between buildings on a flatbed truck or trailer. If you have a specific and unique requirement for your SkyPro, just let us know how you would like it customized. Some customized features done already for customers include a top-mounted dryer blade, fiber, carpet, and bristle brushes, water recycle collection system, specially designed frame to fit unique window dimensions, and a unit fitted with special nozzles to spray a water-based sealer on a new concrete building. Customizing a SkyPro is limited only to your imagination. Customized units currently in use have been built for a number of customers, including the Wynn Casino in Las Vegas and the General Mills building in Minneapolis. The simple yet common-sense design of SkyPro allows the user to perform maintenance and repair when needed, quickly and at a modest cost. For example, should a brush rip, it can be replaced in an 8 or 10-inch section rather than the entire length of the unit. If a brush motor fails, simply unbolt it and replace with a new one. General maintenance is limited to periodic greasing of bearings, tightening of bolts, and inspecting the steel tether cable for signs of stress. If you are an architect, building owner, window washing company, building management, or maintenance company, you need to seriously consider an investment in SkyPro. Eliminating the danger associated with manual window washing, combined with a reduction in labor and insurance costs of up to 80%, makes SkyPro the next logical step in window and building washing. The future will belong to green products, and SkyPro fits the bill by using only filtered water without any chemicals or soaps which harm the environment. Visit the SkyPro website at www.skypro.com for additional information or our upcoming demonstration schedule, or contact us directly for a no-obligation quote.